Hey everyone, welcome to another Sheet Director feature. In this video, we'll explore how you can send customized emails automatically using templated messages. This feature allows you to send personalized emails whenever a form is submitted or a service runs. Here's how to set it up. Enable Notify on execution. Click Setup Email Template. Add subject, message, and recipients. Use dynamic placeholders like sheet data. Attach files from Google Drive. With templated messages, you can automate personalized communication and ensure timely updates reach your audience effortlessly.